Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, super spellers. Are you ready to go on a veggie adventure? Today, we're going to play a fun game called Word Search. We'll look at a big bunch of letters and find names of vegetables hiding inside. Let's get started and sharpen our eyes. A word search is a puzzle full of letters. Inside, some real words are hiding, just like a secret. We will look for vegetable names like onion, leek, pumpkin, and more. Let's find our first word together. Here comes the first vegetable, pumpkin. Can you say it with me? Pumpkin. Look at the last row. There it is. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Yay! You found it. Pumpkins are big, orange, and perfect for pies. Next up is leek. Say it with me. Leek. Let's look at the third row. There it is. L-E-E-K. Great job. A leek is a green vegetable that looks like a long onion. Now let's find a tricky one. Celeriac. Say it slowly. Celeriac. Look at the second row. There it is. C-E-L-E-R-I-A-C. Wow! Celeriac is a root vegetable. It grows under the ground. Here comes a favorite. Onion. Let's say it together. Oni, on. Check the second row. Yes. O-N-I-O-N. You found it. Onions are in almost every yummy dish. Let's remember what we found today. Pumpkin, leek, celeriac, onion. You searched, spotted, and solved like spelling stars. You did amazing today. Word searches help us see and spell new words. Keep looking, reading, and having fun with letters. Until next time, bye-bye, Veggie Detectives.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.